Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can create a curved arrow in Canva. In order to do so, here we are at canva.com and we have our project open, and what we're looking for is on the left-hand side in the menu here, the option that says elements. So we're going to go ahead and click on that. And then from there, if you go here to where it says shapes, then you can see that we have some arrow selections that we can choose from. If you click on see all, then you have a few more options that we can take a look at. Let's just go ahead and select this one. And you can see now that has brought in our arrow, and we'll just move that up here so that we can see a little bit better. And then from there, what we want to do is we want to select here. You'll see this button that says line type if you hover over it. So we'll click on line type, and then you can see here we've got three options. We've got straight, elbowed, and curved. The option here, curved, if we select this, then you'll see instantly now we have our curved arrow. And if you click on any of these points, then you can adjust the arrow and its shape as well. Another thing that we might want to do is actually change the size of the arrow. So here, if we click on these three lines and we adjust the line weight, then you can actually see that we can make it a really nice bold arrow that's much easier to see. So that's all there is to it. That's how you can create a curved arrow in Canva. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.